Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I desperately need to clean out my closet, and I'm gonna go to the container store and see if there's anything that I can find to organize my closet. So my closet is shaped very weird, so it's very long, but it has like a slant from the roof, which I'll show you in a minute. But it's very hard to organize things because you can't put like a box or something on the shelves that are in there. So I started over time just kind of like accumulating things and just like throwing it in there. I had like a way to organize it, but now that I have more things, I'm just kind of like chucking things in there. So I'm gonna head to the container store and kind of figure out with you guys how I want to organize my closet. And I figured this might be some good motivation to help you clean up. If you want to see how I organize my closet, then keep on watching. So this is some real footage right now. You can see that this has like a huge slant on the wall, and there are two shelves which go all the way back, and this closet's pretty deep. So like right here is not super deep, but it does go pretty far back here. This rack of clothes was up here where the marking is, but we had to move it down because I'm actually so short that I can walk through this closet. So by moving it down a little bit, I'm able to see what the clothes actually are being hung. And then I do have a couple things hung on the wall here. And then I started to kind of just like stack things back here. Like I have books in case I need them. I don't have my own classroom yet, so I'm kind of storing a lot of teaching materials in my room. So I'm kind of struggling to figure that out and where to put everything. This blue bin here is like a giant bin that I just have a bunch of winter boots and scarves and stuff in. This huge hamper has hoodies, and then I have like all my shoes on this bottom shelf and a couple in these shoe boxes. This is all like teaching materials, binders, papers, gym bag, hair products that I've never been able to figure out how to organize. I just like don't know what to do back here. It's a very odd shape and you can't really get back here. We have like all these carpet little mini things to keep it warm because it gets so cold in my closet. Like whatever the temperature is outside, that's how it is in this closet. Okay, so these were some of the things that I got today from the container store. I got a few bins. This one over here to the right is pretty bigger than the other ones, and then the other sizes are like the generic shoebox sizes, and I got one really long one over on the bottom left that you can't really see from here, and that's gonna go just like under the bed. I know this probably doesn't look like super organized for you guys. I didn't even really touch the top. That's gonna have to be another day. So at this point, it's kind of late in the day. I've done a lot today, like a lot of running around and everything. So I'm gonna tackle the top another day because it's kind of hard because like the books and the school supplies, I don't really have a spot for since I don't have an office. So I will figure that out another day. But for now, down here, I kind of put, so back all the way in here, I have just a ton of bags, which I just kind of stacked up and reorganized there. And then in one of these purple bins, I put all my sandals, like all my summer sandals, which I'm not going to be doing anything with anytime soon since it's already freezing here. I just have like this hamper of hoodies, which I can't really do anything with. This is another tub that I was trying to kind of clean out and put in here. It has a lot of boots and winter scarves and all that kind of good stuff, but I couldn't really empty that out completely either. And then in here I have like a ton of hair products. If you guys know any ways of organizing hair products, please let me know because I just kind of threw them in here. I don't really know what to do with them. And then in here, again, I got all of these clear bins from the Container Store, and I put boots in here. I wanted to really cover my boots as much as I could because I reach for them a lot, but when I don't reach them, they just get so dusty and gross. So completely, I think this is going to help a lot because it's like easy accessible. It's right there and I can reach for them. And then I did keep some shoes on here, but I did put like my more summer sandals and, you know, flip-flops in the back. And then all the other flats that I normally use for work, I kept closer to the front. When I did show you the inside of my closet, I had a couple different shoes on here. I did go through last night and quickly get rid of actually a lot of shoes. I got rid of mostly like summer sandals that I don't wear anymore and just like a couple other little ones that I just never wore, so I did get rid of them. And in this purple bin, I have my Sanux and like slippers and stuff, some kind of miscellaneous shoes. And then this one has, it's a little bit bigger. I do really like these sizes, so if you're looking to store shoes, I would definitely suggest getting these bigger ones because I have the bigger ones and then I have these. You can fit a lot more in these bigger ones, so I actually wish I got more of these. The bottom one has 2 pairs of like crappy sneakers that I do when I'm doing like yard work, and then high heels in the second one, and then some miscellaneous sneakers like my old cheerleading shoes, Converse, and CrossFit shoes. Back here, I kept my LL Bean boots accessible, or my Sperry's. They're like cheaper versions of the Bean boots, but I love these. I wear them all the time in the winter, so I kept them easy accessible because I will be reaching for them a lot. And then the other big bin has all the rest of my high heels in, which I fit so many high heels in there. And then I do have a space, and then these are all sneakers. This bigger one is like my high Converse, my low Converse, and then 2 pairs of sneakers. And then this one has other 2 pairs of sneakers, which these ones I reach for more often, so I kept them in the smaller ones so that way I can reach to them. Definitely more happy that a lot of my shoes are covered because a lot of them, like being in that purple bin, they weren't covered and they were getting dusty and dirty and stuff, so I'm glad that I was able to fit a lot more than I thought I could in there, and I can actually get more bins if I want and put them on top and stack a lot more. Like I could easily fit another one up in there and get 4 high, so that's really cool because I wasn't expecting it to be as high as it was. If you're going to the Container Store, I would suggest measuring because I didn't, and I easily could have fit more, no big deal, but if you measure, you're able to really figure out what things you can fit. That's everything. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it a little motivational and helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. That will let me know that you like these types of videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated to my wonderful life. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.